Hello guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this video I'm going to cover how to solve an absolute value equation. Now here I'm just going to go through one example, so if you just need a quick review, this should help. So we have our example 3 and then times the absolute value of x minus 2 equals 18. Now let's solve this together so you can get a quick review, or if you just learned this recently, you can get this down pretty easily. Now of course, the first thing we need to do is we have to isolate our absolute value. So to do this, we're gonna divide by 3. Divide this by 3 and the other side by 3 also. Now if we divide 3 by 3, it cancels each other out. So now we are just left with x minus 2 equals, and then 18 divided by 3 equals 6. Now this will be our first equation. X minus 2 equals 6. Now, we have x minus 2 equals 6, but as you guys know, the absolute value is the distance of a number from 0. So we can have a positive and a negative value because they are both the same numbers away from a 0. So we can have x minus 2 equals 6, or we can have x minus 2 equals minus 6. So let's solve these both and get to our final answer pretty easily. So we have x minus 2 equals 6. First thing we're going to do is we're going to isolate our variable. To isolate our variable, we're going to add 2 on both sides. Now minus 2 plus 2 cancels each other out, so we are just left with our variable. Now 6 plus 2 will equal 8. So our first answer is going to be 8. Now let's go to the second one. We have x minus 2 equals minus 6. So again, we add 2 and it cancels each other out and we are left with our variable. Now minus 6 plus 2 will equal minus 4. This will be our second answer. Now we can check this by plugging the two answers in to see if both of them are correct. Now let's start with the 8. So we have 3 times 8 minus 2 equals 18. Now let's solve this. So we begin with solving this. So 8 minus 2 equals 6. 6. Now we can do 3 times 6, and 3 times 6 will equal 18. Now, so this tells us that this is the right answer. But we also have another answer with which we need to check. So we're going to plug that one in also. So we have 3 times the absolute value of minus 4 minus 2 equals 18. Now, let's solve this together again. So minus 4 minus 2 will equal minus 6. Now we do 3 times minus 6, and this will equal minus 18. So, as you guys know, 18 and minus 18 both have an absolute value of 18, because they are both 18 digits away from 0. So this means we have gotten the two right solutions, the two right answer of 8 and of minus 4. So this was basically the video, guys, on how to solve absolute value equations with two solutions. I have made a video on absolute value equations with one solution. I also will make a video on with no solutions and with a bit more harder and complicated equations. So that was basically the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a question in the comments, and this was Mr. Mathz, and I'll see you guys in the next one.